the Lixada Gasification Stove. Just gonna set that up and just give it a break in fire and cook a bit of a chicken kebab. If you hear some rumbling in the background, that's my son running around exploring for the first time with his daddy where his dad camps. Right, it comes in 3 parts. Well, a few more than 3 parts. You have these little grill things you make on the top. But it's pretty simple. When it comes out the container, it's these 3 bits sitting each other. You just allow the middle one, the smallest one, to slide through the middle one. And the other one you turn upside down, and then you have it set halfway through. There's the feeder hole. Ashtray at the bottom. Now we just need to assemble the tops, which I'll do a little bit later. And let it burn for a little bit more, and then we'll get the kebabs out on the stick and just cook that quickly. Have something to munch just to break this guy in for a minute.